how to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004de44. So if you're trying to sign in into your OneDrive on Windows and getting this error code, it usually means there's an account credential conflict or your local network security settings are blocking OneDrive from connecting to Microsoft servers. So I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this error and get your OneDrive syncing again. Okay, so the most common trigger for this error is an expired or corrupted login key saved for Windows. So guys, open up your Start menu right here and search for Credential Manager. Okay, open this. And you'll get this window, guys. Right, and in here you select Windows credentials here. Don't forget, we need this particular one. Then scroll down through the list of your saved entries related to Microsoft account, OneDrive or ADAL. And then just click the drop down arrow next to each one of them and select remove and confirm. So clearing these stale keys forces OneDrive to request a fresh, clean login session. Right, and then step number 2 is we can just perform a soft reset on OneDrive application to clear cached data errors. So you can just go ahead and open up your search app, whatever you're using. I'm using this amazing app called Everything, and search for OneDrive.exe. On the file, right-click, and then choose Copy as Path. Then open up your Run window by pressing Windows key plus R. Then insert this name, remove the brackets from the end and the beginning, then space/reset. And just press OK or Enter. And OneDrive icon on your taskbar will disappear for a few moments while it clears its cache. This will pretty much fix a lot of your issues. Right, so if it still persists, open up that run window again. And now type in this command, guys. Init cpl.cpl. And you will get this window open up. Let me drag it for you guys. After that, in here you go to Advanced tab, scroll all the way down, and make sure you have Use TLS 1.2 and 1.3 enabled. If they weren't enabled, just tick them and press OK. And these are your fixes for this error, guys. Hopefully it goes away. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.